Good, hello, you slags. It is me once more, British Albert. Cup of tea, my new hat I introduced last episode. Christ above, yet another corker. Absolutely delightful cup of tea. Now, is British Albert here to solve problems? Not today, no sir, not one jot indeed. I am once more here to provide you with my opinions on matters dishwashers. British Albert complaining about dishwashers as it were. Here's the thing about dishwashers that nobody tells you. They say, oh, dishwashers, they're terrible, terrible, terrible things for the environment. But are they? Are they? You know, I don't think so. They use less water, and the heat is more consistent. You don't have to spend 5 minutes waiting for the tap to warm up just for the tap to go cold again. It's heated by the electricity. So, electricity, it's cheaper than gas. Mind you, not by much, admittedly, because it's all bloody fizz. But I think possibly dishwashers are better than the alternative. So I thought, what is the downside of a dishwasher? Well, you can't fit them everywhere. Say you've got, what, a small kitchen. Just a small kitchen. No space for under-counter appliances. You know, you fit your fridge in and then you run out of space. You've only got your cupboards. Excuse me. Ah, splendid. In that situation, the better option is, of course, use the sink. Because that's your only option, lest you shower with your pots and pans. Which, of course, I suppose you could. But is that hygienic? Is it? I don't think so. Not one pinch. Now, if you can fit a dishwasher, there is, of course, the entire, well, white goods are expensive. I would favor a washing machine to a dishwasher because it is more useful as an appliance, indeed. But if you can afford to buy one within, 40, 45 years, providing the dishwasher never breaks, which it will, you'll save money. So you won't save money. No. But your environmental impact will potentially be less. And after all, is not the main focus of today. Fix the environment so that we can all enjoy our futures, so that future generations don't have to deal with our stupidity of today, tomorrow. You know? That's food for thought. As I'm sure some people would say, not me, not sure why I said it. But that was British Albert almost complaining. Ta-da!